everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today finally with my base box Boxycharm unboxing for September. So please stick around with me. We'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. Please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. I do upload Monday, Tuesday, and Fridays and really focus on makeup reviews, hauls, unboxing, anything related to makeup. So without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump into my base box unboxing. So again, completely not Boxycharm's fault, but my shipping took forever on my base box. It shipped out from Boxycharm, which again is only about an hour and a half from my house where they ship it from, on the 9th, and I received my base box on the 28th, something like that, so it was pretty late into the month. I'm trying to think about what day it is even, so I'm pretty sure that's it. I received it last week, and so I want to record it and review it. I might have even been later than that, but anyways, long story short, shipping's still really bad for my area, but not Boxycharm, more FedEx fault. But we are going to jump into the base box. It is Glam Vibes only. So just like Premium Box, Glam Vibes only. I'm excited. I'm hoping my base box is better than my Premium Box. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. And so the first thing I see is this $1 Billion Brow Charcoal Beauty Sponge. And so basically you can use it for any liquid product. It says the density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without a filter. And I believe the idea of the charcoal, it's an antimicrobial effect. And so it really helps to keep the bacteria and microbes down in the beauty blender with the charcoal. It is vegan, it is cruelty-free, and no artificial dye. So let's open it up and feel what it feels like. So it is gray sponge, nice little logo kind of imprinted on there. And it is pretty soft. I understand, I am such a beauty blender brat. I know lots of people have found dupes for the beauty blender. I just can't find ones that I like. And to pay $20 for a makeup sponge is ridiculous. But it by far is my favorite sponge. The texture is just different. There's something about it. So maybe this one might be my new option. Value for this is $15. So still not super cheap, but nice. So excited to try that. Next product, and you can hear my dogs in the background. Sorry, walking around. My dog's always make an appearance. Next product I have here is the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara. And basically this is a lengthening and curling mascara that is supposed to still be soft. And so you can see the before and after effect of it. Volumizing brush. There is the brush. I am not going to open the product because I have several mascaras open. We'll save this for when I actually do product trial. But if that really makes that much of a difference, that would be awesome. Okay, try again. Sorry, I don't know, they were barking at somebody. But if this really makes that much of a difference, that would be awesome. So certainly excited to try this. I don't think I said the retail value for the Laura Geller mascara is $24. So good start so far. Next product that I see is in a beautiful box. This is the Hank and Henry Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. This is one I actually saw a spoiler for this, and I'm super excited for this. Look at that packaging. That is just the most beautiful packaging, and it's not one that pulls apart. There is a little button right here that you press, and out comes the lipstick. And it doesn't fall even all the way out. You actually have to pull it to get it out. The coolest thing ever. Beautiful packaging. You just push it right up and it doesn't come out and it doesn't break in your purse. And I love that packaging. By far the best packaging ever. So let's check out the shade now that I've raved about the packaging. and that is a beautiful shade. So the one difference with this lipstick is the outside is encased with glitter, sparkle, whatever you want to call it, but the center is not. And so basically they say that the glitter is supposed to dissolve. I'm pretty sure that's what it says on here. It says this luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips. That is the color. That is a gorgeous nudie brown for fall. I love that. If you look close up, you do still see the glitter and the flecks in there. I don't know if you can pick it up on the viewfinder, but I can see it in person. I don't know if you would notice it on your lips or not. Certainly we'll have to try that, but I love that. Beautiful lipstick. Even more beautiful packaging. Absolutely love, love, love. And retail value for this is $18. That's actually not a bad price for a higher end lipstick. Okay, so far, very, very cool. Next product that I see is by Pharmacy, and I actually do really like Pharmacy. This is the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Cherry. It is a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Retail value $45. Absolutely, for me, love the idea of decreasing fine lines and wrinkles. Definitely like that it's super hydrating. And this, as with all Pharmacy stuff, is free of parabens, cruelty-free, mineral oil-free, all of those kind of things. It does also say, interesting enough, this is scent-free. Not that I like scents, but I was kind of expecting it to smell like cherry. But since it is scent-free, that is not the case. Beautiful packaging there. You can see the little cherry on it. The container is actually red. The lid is white. Love that. And let's take a look at the consistency real quick. Oh, so the, I don't know, the cream is actually pink tinted. I assume from the cherry. And let's go ahead and take just a little bit. Certainly with eye cream you need a very little bit, like even that's too much. And let's rub that on. Oh, that is nice and hydrating. I really like that. It doesn't feel like, it feels moisturizing and thick enough, but not so thick that it's going to leave your under eyes greasy. And it soaks in very quickly. Oh, I really like that. Oh, I'm excited to try that. Okay, very cool. Retail value $45. Pharmacy things are always a little more expensive, but I do think they work well. So super excited about that. And then the last thing I see in here, I am also very excited for. This is the Spanglish Alamar palette. And I actually really like Alamar. I think they have good quality items. I think they like their lip glosses, their lipsticks, lip liners, really, really like. Excited to try this palette. So let's open this up real quick. Oh, it is stuck. Holy camole. Oh. So unfortunately one of the shadows right here broke in transit, and I will show you, Boxycharm, I don't know, they're struggling a little bit. It only had this bubble wrap packaging in my box, so it did not really, sorry, my brain is not working. It didn't really pad enough. Usually they have that gray thick padding that kind of keeps everything in place and it doesn't shift around, and I didn't have that in my box. I was a little worried. I was hoping nothing broke, but unfortunately this color did. But that is a beautiful palette. It does have a big mirror right here. I won't blind you guys with it. And these four are mattes. These four are shimmers. So let's go ahead and swatch. I'm going to swatch this pink one right here because I am a pink fan, and we're going to do it on this arm. Wow, that is a beautifully pigmented, smooth matte. That was one dip in with my finger, literally one swipe with that matte. Holy moly. I would like to try this purple bluish kind of shimmer. Let's see what that does. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to be very, very gentle, but I'm going to try this one that broke right here because this would be a color. Oh, why am I doing it with that finger? That is a fail. That is a color I feel like I would like. I do have to be gentle and press it in. That's gorgeous. I can already see that that is gorgeous. Look at that. That is like a peachy orange. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Oh, I'm excited for that. I'll have to clean up that one shadow, but definitely excited to try that. And I don't think I said the retail value for that palette is $28. I did get variation 44. I really like this box. I like my base box 100 times better than I like my premium box. Definitely love the products. Definitely think the value is there. Again, $25 for those 5 products. I am excited by my base box and by trying out my base box stuff. What did you guys get in your base box? The Hank and Henry was one that I actually did see that was a teaser or whatever you want to call it, but I haven't seen much else. What else did you guys get different in your box? What are you loving? Let me know. Drop me a line. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. Stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.